How to clear POF app cache and storage to fix loading issues. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can clear the cache files and the storage files of POF app to fix loading issues. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to clear the POF app cache and storage to fix any sort of loading issues, it's fairly quite simple. Now, if you're using an Android device, what I recommend you do is you open up settings first. From settings, you want to look for the option called apps or applications as such. And from here, you can simply search for the POF or Plenty of Fish application. And from here, you can just go to storage followed by clear cache or clear data button. Remember that clearing the cache is only available on Android. However, if you're using an iPhone, you can just try to offload the app instead, and this will help you solve most of the loading issues that you're having because if you've installed POF for a long time, it could have generated a lot of cache files in the process. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.